Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another episode of Discount Tool Review. So, right now we have the Dollar Tree utility knife set. Hang on tight. Alright, before we go any further, this is a utility knife and they have warnings on the back. So we're going to read the warning on the back using my Dollar Tree reading glasses. Alright, it says how to lock the blade. When sliding the stopper tab downward, the blade will lock into place. My goodness, these glasses are not working as well as they should. When sliding the stopper tab downward, the blade will lock into place. Okay. It says how to snap off the tip of the blade. Remove the end part, the blade snapper, of the cutter by sliding it up. Slide out the blade to the first snapping point and place the blade snapper at the tip. Bend the blade snapper back to snap off the tip. It says how to replace the new blade. Remove the blade snapper from its body. Pull out both the blade and the slider tab. Replace the new blade, fitting together the slider with the hole in the blade. Replace the snapper. And there's a warning. Using hand tools can be dangerous. Always take care and keep away from children. Wear protective eyewear in the work area at all times. Select correct type and size of hand tool for work. Okay, so they give you instructions on the back on how to use these. There are actually 3 in the package. We're going to remove one and see how it works. These look like the ones that came in a set with a few other tools. Let's see here if I'm correct. It is just a basic utility blade. It's very skinny, not that skinny, but skinny wide, so I don't know how solid it is. It has a locker on it, this little deal here. Let's see, let's put it back into position there. Let's pull the locker, and that locks the handle into place, okay? Push the locker back, and it looks like you can pull this off, and this is how you snap the blade off. You would actually put the blade into... Well, these are small ones too. I think you put it in like this, okay? And then you just snap it off. I'm not going to because, frankly, I did it on another video and we're going to try and save this. But there it is. You can actually remove the blade out the bottom, just like this. Okay. And there it is. There's the blade. Okay. It's plastic. It's pretty strong. It's pretty secure. Let's see here. You put the blade back in like so. You put the little dot underneath and then slide it back into place. Okay. Then you put the bottom on and that protects the whole thing, keeps it from sliding out. There it is. And that's what it is. So that's it. Okay. So let's put it in a spot. Let's lock it into place. It's just barely there. Now I did use this on another video, but I'm going to try and see if it will actually make some nice cuts in this cover sheet, just like that. Okay. So it does work. You can cut. And let's see here. Let's do a circle or something equivalent to a circle. I just hold the blade in place, and there it is, a circle. So it does work. It is a sharp metal, and you can lock it into place. Put it back into position. I would lock it. Well, you can't. Well, can you? I guess you can. You can lock it into place there, and away you go. So you can put it in your little vest, and you have 3 of them. I think it works. It's nothing fancy, but I would be very careful not to carry it because this locking mechanism, if it doesn't lock and it slides, it's going to hurt. So there it is. You get 3 of them. The utility knife set from the Dollar Tree. Thank you, thank you very much for being with me here today. If you have been here before, thank you for coming back. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe and you'll get all the updates as soon as they come out. Thank you again. Until next time.